how the project Culture Under Pressure respond to the local art context and migration crisis?
Our project is, wait a second. Yeah, the difficult times that we all live right now, starting from pandemic, but continuing with the tragedy caused by the Russian invasion in Ukraine, caused a lot of troubles, not only for other professions, but also for the artists that are dealing with political issues. The artists were trying to change something for better human rights. And yes, as we know, like this recent conflict caused a lot of migration and movement from Ukraine, Belarus, Russia, and Georgia has hosted a lot of artists who are in exile. And together with this project, we are trying to deal with the issues that are that are faced by the artists who are here, talking about how to use the digital tools to support these actions for better, again, human rights, better future of our countries. Yes, this project tries to do this, and I think we are succeeding. This is just a beginning of further collaboration, because we also give grants to our participants who will be developing their projects that were initiated during this laboratory forum.
Great. And the last one will be, can you tell more about the role of the team of Untitled Tbilisi?
Untitled Tbilisi is very glad and very happy to host this project and to be part of this project, because our main goal from the very beginning of our establishment was to support artists that are dealing with the issues faced in society, especially in our region, because we know what we are talking about. We are not talking from the third party, but our problems are here, and we are trying to talk about them through art. And Untitled team from the very beginning is very much involved in collecting artists that are talking about the issues.